In this module, we will cover the division of powers within companies, and in particular the role and powers of company directors. A company's Articles of Association usually provide that, subject to the Companies Act and any contrary provision in its articles, its business is to be managed by its directors, who may exercise all the powers of the company. Moreover, the general rule is that powers that are given to the directors by a company's articles may not be exercised by the shareholders in general meeting. The Companies Act does not specifically define the term director. Section 250 of the Act states that director includes any person occupying the position of director by whatever name called. It's commonly accepted, however, that a director is one of those persons who is responsible for directing, governing or controlling the policy or management of a company. Division of powers within a company. The power to take decisions on behalf of a company is divided between its directors and shareholders. This power is given to them by legislation, for example the Companies Act 2006, or by the company's Articles of Association. The day-to-day management of a company is usually entrusted to the directors. Private companies must have at least one director, whilst public companies must have at least two directors. The main control of the shareholders lies in their powers to appoint or remove the directors, although a number of other powers, such as the power to change the company's articles, or often to commit the company to buy back shares, are exercisable only by members. In most instances, however, the directors have powers to take majority business decisions on behalf of companies without references to the shareholders. A company secretary may, and must in the case of a public company, be appointed by the directors. Register of